I love making shoes out of trash. What's up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed this review. And feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have after the video is finished. And as always, don't forget to hit that notification bell as we do want to alert you as soon as we have any up and coming videos, which we have so much heat, so much fire. So definitely hit that notification bell. I see you guys out there. Not enough people have hit their notification bell. So I just want to remind you, don't forget to do that. All right, so today's overview, as you guys expected, another trash shoe. That's right, these are the CRATER Air Zoom Air Jordan 1s, and I am actually obsessed with these. I think that this is going to be an insane colorway for the fall. So of course, we're going to start out as usual with our overview of the shoe. Then I'm going to talk about sizing of the shoe. Then we're going to move into how I styled the shoe, which I had a ton of fun with it because of its kind of just easy to work with colorway. And then we're going to conclude with the retail and resale of the shoe and how it's doing in that aftermarket. All right, so let's jump into this overview and talk about what's going on with this crazy new series that Nike has jumped into. So as you guys know, I've done a video already on the Space Hippie series, and you know, Nike, as I've discussed before, is really jumping into sustainability and being more eco-friendly. So they have started a campaign that is being called Move to Zero, which you can actually see on the box here. Move to Zero is Nike's journey towards zero carbon and zero waste to help protect the future of sport. So they've definitely got that on this box. You can tell that this box is obviously as well been recycled or is created and made out of recycled material. So this approach is basically moved on from the Space Hippies now to its beloved Air Jordan 1 silhouette that we love so much. So I'm not complaining. I'm so happy that I'm able to do an unboxing on an Air Jordan 1 that has basically been created and made up of recycled material. So for those of you who do not know, this specific Air Jordan 1 has the Air Zoom inside of it. You can see that they've got that Zoom Air on the tongue there. And I absolutely love the Zoom technology. It is so cushiony, it's so squishy. Definitely makes it much easier for me to walk longer in my Air Jordan 1 silhouette. So I definitely love that we've got that Air Zoom cushioning all throughout this entire silhouette. And basically this incorporates recycled polyester throughout its synthetic suede upper. As you can see here, this is all recycled material. So scarlet has basically this kind of red, scarlet, hot pinkish color. Is serrated stitching at the heel and the back here, which is quite nice. And then we've got that same serrated kind of stitching on the tongue here and that same scarlet colorway. And then we of course have this very just subdued muted palette, which is beautiful. It's just this nice dark charcoal gray that we have going on throughout here. And then we've got this exposed foam collar, which you guys have seen me freak out about that because I just wasn't sure why some of the shoes I've seen have that exposed collar. So you can actually see that foam just kind of actually poking through there. So they've left that pretty much unfinished. And then we of course have this black lacing system with the scarlet tips, which I really like that subtle touch to it there. And then we've got this speckled grind rubber in the foam outsole here, which we've seen on the Space Hippies. It's very similar in that foam series, but this is actually like a lighter white kind of speckled foam that we have on the midsole here. Oh, this is so crazy looking. All these speckles, I'm like kind of obsessed. I'm getting lost in it. So basically multicolored speckled outsole on the bottom here, and that's from Nike Grind and Space Junk materials. The collection's namesake CRATER foam, which I've discussed in Space Hippie, is included on this midsole and outsole as well. And it's basically a blend of Nike foams with about 12% Nike Grind rubber from manufacturing waste, which is pretty crazy. So the uppers are made from a canvas-like material with reinforcements and webbing built from 80 to 100% mechanically recycled polyester and 100% recycled nylon. So this is definitely an eco-friendly shoe. But I think one of my favorite parts of it is actually this outsole. I just love the speckled action going on in there. On the insole, we've got that Scarlet Zoom Air on the inside there. All right, so I brought out my Racer Blues just because this specific shoe came with a secondary pair of laces, and it just kind of reminded me of my Racer Blues and how they also came with these bright hot pink laces. So let's actually compare and just see. This is like a little bit more of a pinkish colorway here. These have a little bit more orangey neon coloring scheme here. So these are definitely brighter than my Racer Blue laces. So definitely excited to potentially add these onto the shoe just to give it more of a loud statement since the color is pretty muted on here. All right, so let's talk about sizing. So these shoes on Seekers were only available in the low size, which was a size 8 in men's. I'm typically a size 7.5, but of course, as I will mention, sometimes you just gotta play a different size option if they don't have yours.
You play to win the game. Hello? You play to win the game.
And definitely I'd rather go half a size up than half a size down. And so these 8s definitely still fit me okay. I would still recommend going true to your size if you're able to, but in this specific silhouette, I got it in a size 8. And I just kind of basically fill it in with thicker socks and it works perfectly. Don't have any bad things to say about it. And as far as like the Zoom technology, it's the same as this, except of course these are 7.5s and these are 8s. But you can see there's not like a huge variation in sizing when I hold the two up to each other, which is nice. All right, so now let's move into the styling section, discuss how I styled these shoes. This is definitely a great colorway because I feel like it's going to go so well with just different fall items, and it's such a muted color that, you know, it's one of those colors that I love so much. You guys know I love all black.
I only work in black.
And I love me some dark gray.
And sometimes very, very dark gray.
So let's talk about the first look that I styled these shoes with. So first up, I did the Nike Comme des Garçons collab that was done with Comme des Garçons Diffusion Line Black. I chose this very logo-eccentric black and white t-shirt, and I paired that with an Elix skirt, which has this great kind of slit where you can move that zipper up and down to as high as you want.
Go on.
Kind of gave you guys some extra leg here.
Giggity, giggity. Giggity goo.
So I made it a little more sexier, but I just felt like it went really well with these high tops. I think the Jordan High ones just look great with skirts in general. So I love Elix, I love the brand and how he designs his skirts. So I think that that was just the perfect touch to pair with these shoes. All right, so definitely went a little bit more athletic for the second look. So I wore this sports bra that you guys can see here. Nice little Nike sports bra. It's got some great kind of detailing going on it, and it's ribbed in all black. So I paired this with the greenish, it's like a greenish tone, just baggier, kind of boyish sweatpants. And I don't know, we're just getting into the fall, so I really wanted to bring in some fall colors just to kind of show you guys how well these shoes are going to go with those new fall colorways in these new and upcoming months of September, October. And you know, this is definitely an athletic shoe, so of course, you know, I wanted to bring it in a more kind of athleisure outfit. And last but not least, I paired it with just some tight Nike leggings with a nice, just tight ribbed shirt that's very fitted, all black. As you guys know, I love all black. And these shoes just work well, of course, with black. So we've got the black laces, we've got the black swoosh mark here on each side. And you know, it's just a nice, great shoe to wear with leggings in general. I think it really accentuates the look, and that was my last look out of the three. So let me know what you guys thought of the three looks, what was your favorite, and what you think of this colorway. So now let's go and conclude with the retail on these shoes and how they're doing on the resale market. All right, so the CRATERs retailed at $175. And currently, like I said, on sneakers, they only have the lowest size is size 8. So I get confused sometimes when you're looking at the resale market and you're like, where is this 4.5 coming from? Because I swear they didn't launch a smaller size. But on sneakers, I literally only saw a size 8 as the smallest size. So I'm gonna start from there. That's currently going for around $200. And from a size 8 to a size 12, it's around the same price point. A size 12 is going for $213, so a little above retail. And then on the larger sizes, a 12.5 to a size 15, those are going around $220 to $250. But I will say, just like the Racer Blues, which I feel like a lot of people sat on, and then all of a sudden they were like, whoa, when did these shoes come out? These are cool. Those prices did slowly start to increase on the resale market. So I have just a subtle belief that maybe these are probably going to do the same as, you know, Air Jordan 1s are known to do very well. And I do think that this is a great colorway for the fall. And for those of you who find out and care, I guess, specifically about sustainability and being eco-friendly, these are definitely going to be a very popular shoe to come. So again, thank you so much, you guys, for joining in on this review today. My name is Marissa Hill. This is ShadeTV. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as give this video a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it, and feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you guys may have on this shoe. Were you able to cop it? Were you unfamiliar about this shoe? You had no idea at launch, or even sizing questions or styling questions. I'm here for you guys. So as always, don't forget to hit that notification bell, as we do have a lot of up and coming videos that I do want to alert you on as soon as those are up and out. Until next time, guys, we'll catch you on the next video.